Hi, I am Anshul Shah from Department of Criminology, Raksha Shakti University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The title of the module is Internet of Things and Cyber Crimes. Objectives. Objectives of the module are to understand the basics of how things could be connected virtually and to understand the evolution of networking and eventually Internet of Things. To understand the other objective is to understand the various applications where Internet of Things can be helpful, to understand the privacy concerns of the Internet of Things. The prerequisite terms for the module are basic software, wireless networking, and learning outcomes. Learning outcomes are, after reading the module, one will be able to understand the basics of Internet of Things, the evolution of Internet, and with it how concept of connecting things in virtual world uh, came about. The applications of Internet of Things in various fields, the privacy concerns with working of connecting objects and what to avoid while using Internet of Things. Keywords for the modules are Internet of Things, smart objects, smart cities and and towns, security and privacy. With introduction, I will tell you, with the rapid development of internet technology along with computers and communication technology has led us into a era of virtual world, where nowadays people can shop, build houses and even pet animals in the virtual space. Internet of Things can be defined as the platform which functions to connect the real world with the virtual one. Internet of Things is to connect people and objects in the virtual space, which can be done anywhere, anytime and with anyone. This could be connected through networks or path and using any services. The connections could be done to communicate between the systems or collect data intelligence. The need of the Internet of Things is to consolidate the IT infrastructure with the physical infrastructure and help in connecting the smart objects around like smart TV, fridge and other smart equipments, which could make things easy to monitor, track and give directions to smart devices according to need and requirement of humans. Usefulness of smart object is due to interconnection between a different smart object and connection with the sensor or the actuator. The interconnection is often called as Internet of Things. It can also form huge and small networks to collect intelligentsia by processing information of the person using it. The Internet of Things allows objects to be sensed or controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure, creating opportunities for more direct integration of the physical world into computer based systems and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy and economic benefit in addition to reduce human intervention. When Internet of Things is augmented and with sensors and actuators, the technology becomes an instance of more general class of cyber physical systems, which also encompasses technologies such as smart grids, virtual power plants, smart homes, intelligent transportation system and smart cities. Each thing is uniquely identifiable through its embedded computing system, but is able to interpolate between existing internal structures. Experts estimate that Internet of Things will consist of about 3 billion objects by 2020. Nowadays, the technologies in the smartphones are like a range of sensors, accelerometer, gyro, video proximity, compass, GPS, etc. and connectivity options, cell, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, etc. can be considered a set of equipped device based on idea of Internet of Things in our pocket, which can monitor our location, workout and movements. Some examples of Internet of Things technology today is the Philips Hue lighting system, which is the most popular of the smart bulbs currently. available. It can change colors. The Philips Hue lights can change to any color you choose. They'll even match the tones in the photo that you upload via app. They can also be turned on and off on schedule or from your smartphone. And the U bulbs can even synced with music for an awesome sound and light party. Other companies are starting to release smart bulbs as well, making this a more competitive niche. LIFX, Lumina, Belkin and have all their version of this technology. Like most of the IoT smart homes devices, this can help save money and energy, as well as a lot of fun playing around with your lights. Evolution of the next topic is evolution of Internet of Things. Before exploring the evolution of Internet of Things, one must focus on evolution of Internet. The Internet can also be called the virtual world, where smart objects can interconnect. With the 1960s, communication between two computers was thought of. An attempt was made for communication via internet. In early 1980s, the TCP/IP stack was started, and with that, internet was commercially used in the late 1980s. Later, the World Wide Web, which is also called as WWW, became available from 1991, which made the internet more popular and was able to grow faster. With it came smartphones, through which internet could be connected with mobile internet platform. Now with mobile phones came social networking sites, and people started to get connected with social media platforms. Next wave which came with the process was that two non-communicating machines could now be interconnected to each other with minimum human intervention. Intention is to design the interconnection of machines in a way which could enhance the human experience, where machines knows about the situation which is favored and wanted by the individual and could be provided by machines without giving any implicit instruction. The first idea was implementation of Internet of Things in supply chains, and other examples include using smart tags called radio frequency identification, which is RFID, in identifying pets, humans and animals in near field communications. Nowadays, the concept is also used in building smart cities and smart homes, so that the living experience of the individual can be enhanced. Internet of Things can help in building smart homes where appliances are all interconnected and could be managed and automated with single source of power. Internet of Things can be used in detecting and preventing the human-made disasters. Sometimes even the system requires to create data intelligence and take decisions. Several IoT platforms are developed for different purposes: IoT for research purposes, business platforms and open source platforms. Platform is to work with objects and to help in their interconnection. Few platforms also offer applications programming interface, also called as API, to facilitate the interconnection. Most interesting application for the IoT would be the recognition of people with computer vision. Integrating computer vision in an IoT platform could offer more security system to smart cities, smart towns and smart homes. And smart earth by helping in capturing real time images to enhance security systems. We could obtain this functionality of such interconnections without the need of person to supervise the camera and give inputs each time, and just can facilitate when required at important junctures. The next topic is application of IoT. The application of IoT into many domains like transportation, smart town, conservation of energy, protection of ecotourism and user interaction domain, health facilities and security. Purposes which are discussed in the following paragraphs briefly. IoT in medical applications. Due to following problems of population growth, rural urbanization, declining birth rate, population aging, economic growth and social unbalanced resource allocations. Because of difference in resource allocation are some of the few social problems which are becoming increasingly apparent in the healthcare field. Healthcare management facilities are finding it very difficult to respond to emergency social problems immediately. Severe shortages of medical staff, technologies to prevent early disease, lack of infrastructural facilities in rural areas have made the situation worst in rural settings, and early disease prevention and detection capabilities are almost nil, which makes the situation worse. RMMP-HI does collect human medical information timely with help of bodily sensors in the human body with analysis of the surrounding environment. The useful information is extracted by using processes like data encryption, storage, analyzing, comparatively and processing of data so that when abnormal appearances are detected, users are advised to start early treatment to prevent onset of the disease. Real-time monitoring can be useful in responding towards emergency situations. It can also help in establishing national health management records to gather together information about lifestyle patterns, epidemic and regional disease and analyzing it so that better prevention strategies could be made. Body medical sensors can register and delete constituting medical body area network, which is called as MBAN automatically. The short range of wireless communications sensor module will transmit human medical information to 3G mobile phone or home gateway. Medical information is uploaded to data storage and processing center from time to time. The important health guidance will be feedback to patient, family members of patients or medical institution with the information provided. An expert can be consulted to prevent disease and even in emergency situations. Doctors could be consulted. The other application is IoT in smart home. With increasing development in technology, electronics and communication has made the concept of smart home a very fascinating thing in the present time. Home can be cost effective, safe, digitalized as well as be made artificially intelligent with such technologies coming up in the market. Internet connects with everyday devices and sensors and thus connecting all virtual and physical objects through data capture with development in communication capabilities of machines. Meter reading and capturing the irregularities if any can be done with smart home, plus feedback could be automated to companies providing services at home. With it, doors, air conditioners, refrigerators can be controlled with remote control and can be switched on and off with ease. Security of the home as well as health care facilities are important function of smart home. Like in situation of emergency, elderly person at home can set off alarm or send notification to the family members or medical health center to provide instant backup in case of accidents or any congenital disease. Smart home works on the network of wireless sensor network WSN with its fusion with actuators together called as wireless sensor and actuators network WSAN. Smart home have that kind of WSAN networks which can control different objects performing different functions and can be controlled with smartphones or remotes. The other application includes Intelligent Community Security System, which is called as ICSS. Intelligent Community Security System comprises of many subsystems which are incorporated to provide security into holistic way. Several subsystems include Surrounding Security Subsystem, which is called as SSS, Central Information Processing System, which is called as CIPS, Vehicle Management Subsystem, VMS, Fire and Theft Prevention Subsystem, which is called as FTPS, etc. The information from each subsystem are sent to the central information processing unit, where the information is stored and processed timely to give warnings to maintain community security. For maintaining security, safety and establishing intelligent and enclosed community, sensing terminals such as power networks, sensor optical fiber etc. are to be installed. Wireless and sensor networks gather the useful information and give feedbacks to the CIPS at regular time intervals. It can also have electronic access control over doors, fences and entry points, which can help in identifying if any unknown person or intruder comes in the house, and can be utilized to avoid intrusive behavior into the communities. The location of the intruder can be processed and alarm could be set off to capture the intruder. The site of the accident site can also be accessed by using records of the devices which are held by security, and according to the situation one can rush to the accident site. The video footage could also be tabbed and recorded to keep those sites safe which are beyond the sight of security personnel. The next application includes property management subsystem of ICSS. The Internet of Things can help in more scientific and standard way to manage the property, which could be residential. Public facilities monitoring system use unified coding sensory network technology, which provide real-time monitoring of the public facilities such as the public transportation, swimming pools, and emergency exits and residential elevators, community basketball courts, so on. In case somebody is injured or public facilities are damaged, the terminals triggers alarm information will send to the CPIS, which can thoroughly go through the situation or circumstances and the accurate location automatically. To ensure safety and smooth running of the public area, security personnel can verify and repair the facilities at regular intervals. Management for electricity, water and gas uses the unified coding sensor network technology, which provides the real-time detection and also controlling of working conditions such as the power distribution system, the drainage, water supply and elevators. Through the wireless networks, the information of the failed operations will be sent to the CIPS at regular intervals. The unexpected cutting of electricity, water or gas can be determined or resolved as early as possible. Fire and Theft Prevention Subsystem FTPS of ICSS. Electrical equipment and application may induce huge potential dangers. The FTPS can be used for indoor security. It contains anti-theft and anti-fire alarm system, video monitors and emergency alarm functions, etc. The system primarily used the uniform coded of sensing windows, fences, monitors cameras, entrance guard devices, emergency calling devices, temperature sensors and smart detectors of smoker combustible gas. To form network of this subsystem, home network, sensor network and the CIPS were used. The next is property management subsystem of the ICSS. Security and privacy concerns of IoT. Now we will discuss security and concerns of IoT. The basic premises of IoT is to connect the real life machine with each other so that the network can be automated without the actual human intervention. The interaction between the machine is also real time, so that the measurements could be done easily and also reduces the constraint of human intervention. IoT refers to connecting machine to machine initially, which are compatible with each other. The interaction is mainly done for minimizing the human interaction for a period of long hours, which is mostly possible through wireless area network, which is called as WAN or WLAN. Even though the concept of IoT provides efficiency to work in managing and connecting machines, it has array of concern with breach of privacy and that of security concerns of losing information Following are some kind of security threats which Internet of Things can bring along. At the level of front-end sensors and equipment, front-end sensor receives the data with help of built-in sensors. The data is transferred through modules or M2M devices, which is also called as machine to machine, thus are achieving networks of sensors. This methodology is the security of the machine and act as node for connectivity and for business implementation. The nodes are distributed without any monitoring facilities which could be used by the intruder to damage or do some illegal actions. The damage could be categorized into three categories, which are denial of service attack, unauthorized access to data, threats to the internet. At the level of networks, network plays an important role in providing comprehensive connection capabilities with effective connectivity, and swiftness gives service quality for IoT. Since large machines are sending data which can lead to congestion and lead to large number of interconnected nodes and groups are present, which may result in denial of service attacks. At the back of IT systems, the back end forms the gateway for the gathering and examining the sensor data for real time or pseudo time interaction for collecting business intelligence. The gateways requires high security requirements which needs to be protected for security purpose. In the terms of internet security, privacy refers to right of any entity, in this case human being, to freely decide about the people whom to interact with and right to choose on how much information to be shared. The device connected in IoT sends the environment around and collect the information, all the information sent to the server, which does application logic, which is performed by mobile or any fixed communication. Privacy should be maintained in devices so that during communication and processing, sensitive information is not disclosed. The privacy of the data and information about the users is to be protected, which is one of the important challenges which needs to be addressed in Internet of Things. The data of the users can be used in the case of manipulation of the software or hardware of the device, which is unauthorized and done to extract information. Intruder tend to rewire the program running for collecting sufficient footage so that the intruder could also receive images which are being viewed or looked upon, which devices are to be gathered, which can be tampered less and are robust enough to provide live feed and can be hacked less. To make IoT more secure, certain modules are to be incorporated, which are device integrity validations, tamper resistant modules and trusted execution environments. The three types of module protect the device from being hacked. Many issues are to be focused upon, for example, protecting the device information and details of the user in case of theft or loss of the device, with protecting the identification of the device holder, with it preventing location disclosure of the user and exact nature of the device. For protecting the privacy of the information stored, following things should be considered. First of all, least possible amount of information is to be stored, and with it, if possible, absolutely necessary, then only little information pertaining to kind of matter in hand should be stored. Pseudonymization and anonymization techniques should be used to retain the identity of the users whose data is stored. The personal data shared should be synonymous with the purpose of the data, and without knowing the final data owner, one should not disclose the personal information to third party. Digital rights management system could be used, which controls the commercial media content and restricts the redistribution to third party illegally. Notifying the users about the distribution of personal data and increasing awareness by providing user notification avoids abuse of the personal data of the individual. Now concluding the module, IoT is a concept which connects all the devices in the virtual world so that work could be minimized and human interaction is less with more work could be accomplished. The evolution of the internet with development in communication technology with information technology has made the situation possible. The application of such concept is multitude and nowadays is used in building smart homes and towns for people and many such intelligent community security situations. With special use in medical health care facilities, the usage is manifold but care should be taken to ensure the safety of the individual and users by protecting data about personal details for which safety measures are to be looked upon so that abuse is prevented. Thank you so much for watching this video.